Iowa runs on Odyssey, like Utah, but Iowa asks twice a year, and it has a date that can cost a family the whole award. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Reports. Iowa has no fee categories. One tuition and fees number per student, and you enter it per semester, so the worksheet give you every amount twice, fall and spring. The upload keys on two IDs, the Odyssey enrollment ID and the state SSID. A missing SSID blocks the entry, so fill them in before February, not during it. Click Compliance Checklist. September 30th. Every student's enrollment verified and the fall payment confirmed by 11:59. On October 1st, the unconfirmed accounts close and the student loses the whole year, both semesters, not just the fall half. Spring money lands December 1st. Enter spring tuition then, not on the February 1st deadline. February 1st is also the day parents have to confirm, so a family who misses one message has hours instead of weeks. Iowa's withdrawal clock is 3 business days. Utah's is 5. Do not carry one state's number into the other. The banner tells you which status to choose, because the money follows it. Did not attend, a student who never started, is 100% clawback. Odyssey invoices the school for the lot. Withdrew is refunded under your own enrollment contract. The roster runs the clock for you. Update the status in the portal, then click Mark Reported here, and the date is on the record. Last thing, registration, sports, and testing fees are not part of that tuition number. They need a separate marketplace listing, and a family who pays outside, it is never repaid. Two entries, 3 days, 1 September date. Try it free at Pearspark.com.